Hi guys, welcome to the video on adding and subtracting polynomials. So adding and subtracting polynomials, we're going to be doing this through combining like terms because it's an essential ACT skill and is going to be necessary for when we multiply polynomials, which is the next section. And you'll know you're successful when you can add two polynomials of at least 3 terms together. Alright, so adding and subtracting polynomials is really all about combining like terms. So just remember that 7x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 4x. That's how you combine the like terms. And if you have something like 10x cubed minus 3x to the second, 3x squared, that is not, cannot be simplified or combined in any way. So let's just jump in right to it with a couple examples. What is the sum of the polynomials below? So I look at 5x and 2x, and they are like terms. So I get 7x, and negative 3 plus 9 gives me positive 6. So my answer is 7x plus 6, and I can classify this answer. And if I classify this answer, this is a linear binomial. So that's just a little bit of extra reminder from the last section. So what's the sum of the polynomials below? So I have 3x squared minus 5x plus 7, and then I add x squared plus 2x minus 1. So 3x squared plus x squared. So I have 3x squareds, and I have 1x squared, so I have a total of 4x squared. Negative 5x plus 2x. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative... Oh boy, really made that one too big. Is negative 3x. And 7 plus negative 1 is like saying 7 minus 1. So positive 6. And that is my final answer. However, I'm going to just classify that. This would be a quadratic since it's degree 2. And it's 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. Okay. What is the difference of the polynomials below? Oh, this is a good one. So I have 5x squared minus 2 minus 4x minus 4 on the inside of the parentheses. So what I am going to do here is 5x squared, and I'm going to look to see if there's any other x squared parts. I don't see any, so 5x squared is going to drop down to the bottom. I'm going to then go over to the negative 2. Negative 2 take away negative 4 is negative 2 plus 4, or positive 2. And then I have a negative sign between them and a 4x. So that leaves me with a negative 4x. But this answer here is not in standard form. All the answers that we write need to be in standard form. So I'm going to rearrange them into standard form, which we learned about last section. So it should be 5x squared minus 4x plus 2, which is also, when classified and named, a quadratic trinomial again. So that was it for that subtraction problem. Finally, we have one. What is the difference of the polynomials below? So I look and I see I have 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6, and from that I am subtracting 3x squared minus x plus 5. So if I look for any other x to the third powers, I don't have any, so all I have is 5x to the third power. There's nothing else to combine it with. Then I have a 3x squared, take away a 3x squared, or it's going to turn into 0x squared. And then I have a negative 6 here. And that negative 6 is taking away positive 5. So it's increasing the amount of loss, or minus 11. And then I have a negative x. So really that's adding x. And then I need to write this in standard form. 0x squared is equal to 0. So 0 times x squared is equal to 0. So I don't need to write that. That's just unnecessary information. So what I do get is 5x to the third is my highest power. plus x minus 11 equals 0. Oh, whoa, not equals 0. Excuse me. Nope. 5x to the third plus x minus 11. And this I could classify as a cubic, and it's 3 terms, cubic trinomial. And that's it for adding, subtracting polynomials, guys. Just remember that it's all about combining like terms property. Watch your double negatives. Remember that plus minus minus plus is subtraction either way. Plus plus minus minus. So remember plus plus or minus minus, that's adding. And if you do plus minus or minus plus, that's actually subtracting. Either way. And then just remember, make sure you only ever combine variable amounts that have the same exponent or combine constants. So remember that 5x plus 2 does not equal 7x. Don't do that. That's the wrong thing to do. So that's it for the video, guys. Just writing that this is wrong. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.